Problem 6. All right, now we're looking at y equals 2 to the power of x minus 1, which means we are going to shift and transit our graph down 1. And so I know that green's not going to be it, and blue is not going to be it. And so now we're left with two options here. I mean, pink is also translated to the right, so in reality it's going to be red, but let's double check. Let's plug in -2 for x, so 2 to the -2 is going to move that 2 and that exponent to the bottom of your fraction. So now we're looking at 1 over 2 to the second, which is actually going to give us 1 over 4, but then we have to minus 1. So in reality, it's going to be -1, 1 over 4. So we can grab this point when x is -2, 1, 2, y is -1, 1/4. So it's going to look something like this, okay? Next, we can go ahead and look at -1. 2 to the -1, we know that, sorry, hold on, I'm thinking I put that point wrong. Okay, yeah, I'm so sorry, it's up a little bit better. Glad I caught that. It's actually gonna be right there, because, sorry, 1/4 minus 1 is actually gonna be -3/4. Sorry about that. Anyways, 2 to the -1 is actually, my light just went off. 2 to the -1 is going to be 1 over 2, minus 1 is actually going to be -1/2. So we can grab this point when x is -1, y is -1/2. So I'll probably put it right there. 0, when 2 to the power of 0 is just going to be 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our y-intercept in this scenario is actually going to be 0, 0. So you can use shift to get it a little bit more centered. 2 to the power of 1 is going to be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we can grab this when x is 1, y is 1. Use shift, get it a little bit more centered. And lastly, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. Grab our point when x is 2, y is 3, 1, 2, 3. Use shift to get it a little bit more centered. And there you are. And so we can grab this blue or this red and drag it over to make sure this is a true statement. And boom, it is. Your y-intercept in this scenario is actually going to end up being 0. Your domain is the same as always. It's going to be -infinity and infinity. And then our range this time is actually going to be -1, infinity. All right, let me know if you have any questions. That is problem number 6.